So we're doing a starter on this 6.7. I just wanted to share a few tips with you guys. So make sure that your battery is disconnected, both of them. It will save you time, I promise. Take your tire off and your wheel liner out. It is a 7/32 socket as well as a 5/16 for everything that you need to do here. And then you can kind of fold it in the back and then pull it out the front. You'll figure out how to do it. So pull that out and then you can access everything that you need to through this hole here. You'll need a 13mm and a 15mm wrench. 15mm will be for the electrical connections. And there's a little plastic cover that you'll need to pull off of that first. But we're gonna go ahead and get this loose and I'll show you how you pull it out of the area. Okay, so this is a Ford. This is a Motorcraft. Sorry guys, it's really dark in here, but this is a Ford Motorcraft Famoco starter. I believe it's the original. This has 170,000 miles on it. The reason I'm replacing it is it's got a zing after it starts, and I just don't want to tear up my flex plate. So I'm gonna replace it, but I wanna give you some tips. So it sits in there like this, and there's a motor mount right here. You have to get these studs where the electrical connections mount. You have to tilt it back past the motor mount, so you're kind of be looking like this, and then it's got to tilt out this way is basically how you pull it out of that little valley in there. And I just want to mention that, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, there's a 13mm bolt that goes in here, 13mm that goes in here, and then at the bottom, there's a 13mm, the long one that goes into this direction. It goes through the bell housing. So that's how you pull it out. New one goes in the same way. And just wanted to give you a little update on how that works, basically. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the video. These are just a few helpful tips that I think would benefit you if you have never done a 6.7 starter before, and just wanted to throw them out there. So if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video. It helps for the YouTube algorithm, and maybe this video will help somebody else in the future as well. So thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it.